YouTubers, welcome to Omeco.it. Here we are today to review a brand new 2015 production Yanmar miniexcavator VIO50. It is a 5-ton machine with great Japanese construction and performance. The machine is equipped with hammer and crusher line, all piston protection, rubber tracks with Victus system. It's a perfect zero-tail swing machine, and of course it has the latest Yanmar diesel engine. So for this field test, we get the machine to one customer and also provide him with the hydraulic mulcher of Berti brand of 90 cm width. So how will it perform? Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our video. If it is so, please click the button down below. See you soon, workers!